In this lesson, let's talk about the integration between Microsoft Defender for Endpoint with Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint possesses capability to integrate with various other Microsoft solutions. For example, Azure Information Protection, Microsoft Defender for Identity, and others. But in this lesson, we will focus a little bit on Microsoft Defender for Endpoint integration with Microsoft Defender for Office 365, since Defender for Office 365 basically prevents your environment from malwares coming from email messages and prevents dangerous files incoming with help of safe links or safe attachment features, anti-phishing features, and others. As such, Microsoft Defender for Office 365 is in its essence email filtering solution, and since Microsoft Defender for Endpoint protects endpoint machines used by end users who most probably use email service on daily basis, it is very likely that attack surface on your organization will be through email service used by end users. Therefore, it is worth mentioning integration capability between Microsoft Defender for Office 365 and Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solution. So Microsoft Defender for Office 365 is basically meant to protect you when you use Office 365 and to prevent against threats coming through your usage of Office 365 suite. Now, let's see how to set up integration between Microsoft Defender for Office 365 and Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Now I am positioned in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Administration Center, and here I will go on Email and Collaboration, and below Email and Collaboration I will select Explorer tab. Here in the Explorer, and here on the bottom right I will select MDE settings. And here we need to make sure that Connect to Defender for Endpoint option is turned on. After we ensure that, there is one more setting in Administration Portal we need to check in order for this integration to work. So we will go to the Settings. Now on the Settings we will select Endpoints. On Endpoints we will select Advanced Features. And I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. And here we need to check that Office 365 Threat Intelligence Connection setting is turned on. It is. Now that you have enabled these two settings in Administration Portal, you have integrated Microsoft Defender for Office 365 into Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solution, which means that you will have insights into threats related to Office 365 suite collaboration services like Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, OneDrive for Business, and Teams here in Administration Portal. And on top of these insights will come response capabilities to that threats coming from email and file-based attacks. And that's it for this lesson. In next and last video of 9th section, which is also the last section of this course, we will summarize everything we have learned in section 9.